Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I made several videos on this, and I showed how to duplicate it with the step and repeat. And I showed it how to go down the ladder here. And then somebody commented tonight that I left everybody hanging to continue. So right here up your object origin, I've got this in the center of the page, and my page is 40 by 28. So the center is 20 by -14. So we need to figure out where to move it to, and you can't really duplicate something like this that's this fine. You can duplicate it and then put it where you need to put it, and then you're going to have to visually zoom in, and you can see my lines are way off, but I'm going to grab that and minutely move it. I should have been a little bit closer, but see, I'm minutely moving it down. Let me zoom in a little bit more. I'm minutely moving it down where those lines kind of intersect this line, and then I've got to move it over so that last line syncs with that. So that's good. And what we're going to do now is look at our object origin for that one, and it is 9.31. Let's see how close I am. Well, I had 9.29 by 14.87. So I must have fine-tuned it a little bit more. So I see right here. There's a line going up right in here. So I need to go down. Yeah, there we go. I was looking at the wrong line. So now we're at 14.87 by 9.31. So all you have to do, and I've got 29, which is close enough. So you take the 20 minus that, and you got 0.871, which is your X distance horizontally, and the Y is a -14 minus a -14.87. You get with 0.87. So I've got let me just delete that one. So there's our normal one. I'm going to make 11 copies. Let me move this out of the way. So I've just got the 8.71 and the 0.87. Well, you've got to have that selected. And it put 11 copies exactly where the line should be, and making that. And you could go as many as you wanted. You could go 100 and make all those copies that quick, because you can't really do it. And if I was going to do this, then you could actually take these and, if you wanted to do them differently, you could rotate it around if you were going to do something else with it to get it to kind of be a square. But if you look real close, that's a pretty close, cool pattern. And look at it like that. And if those are hairlines and they will not print, I turn them all into a black line. I mean, we could make them all black, or you could use go back to the first one and watch the artistic media tool and how it changed it and made this or this up here just by using the artistic media tool. Anyway, so I think this one is done. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.